Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, I'm Carrie. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about how to create a healthy lifestyle. I think a video like this is perfect for this time of year. We talk about self-care a lot over on this channel, and one of the things that we talk about is that self-care is about more than taking a bubble bath and pampering ourselves. Self-care is about creating a daily routine that's taking care of our mental health, our emotional health, and our physical health. That is why I am so excited to be working with CVS on their Treat Yourself Well campaign. CVS recently introduced over 300 self-care items in their health and wellness categories. This video is all about how to create a healthy lifestyle with a focus on physical health. I am someone who doesn't just naturally feel motivated to work out. I have to really push myself. I have to make it really easy and convenient for myself to get my body moving. So if you are like me and you are somebody who doesn't really like working out, then keep watching this video because I'm going to share with you guys some tips, tricks, and products that I use to make working out as convenient as possible so that I feel motivated to work out. I am also going to share with you guys what is in this CVS tote bag. It is filled with a bunch of self-care products that I've been using on a daily basis to help create the best workout routine at home that I can. I am more likely to get a workout in if I wake up first thing and just put my workout clothes on right away, go outside, lay out my yoga mat, and just get my workout in. I have now also set an alarm on my cell phone to alert me at the time that I want to work out every day. Set an alarm for every morning at 8 a.m. to work out.
I've set your workout alarm for 8 a.m. starting tomorrow.
I've also made sure to make my workout clothes really easy and accessible for me to just grab and go in the morning. So I put my workout clothes in this basket, and one thing I would highly recommend is to have workout clothes that makes you feel good, because I definitely feel more motivated when I'm wearing workout clothes that makes me feel confident. Try to remove any distractions that might keep you away from getting your workout in. I have to put Lanka inside the house because if not, I will sit there with him on my yoga mat and will just procrastinate the working out process for as long as I possibly can. I love getting my workouts started with some cardio, and I have been loving this weighted jump rope from CVS. This is the Pure Body Logix weighted jump rope, and having this has been so handy. The weighted handles are really nice because it gives you a little bit of an arm workout at the same time that you're doing cardio, and it ends up being just a full body workout. It's little things like this that are so convenient for an at-home workout that I can just step outside, start jumping around on a jump rope that reminds me of being a kid, and it makes my workout so much more enjoyable. Staying hydrated is, of course, one of the most crucial steps to creating a healthy lifestyle. This is the Gajam Sure Grip water bottle that I got from CVS, and I love this water bottle. I love the design, I love the grip on it, and staying hydrated is just as important as moving my body. Another form of cardio that I absolutely love is going on a run, and the best way for me to do that is to just put on my sneakers, go out my front door, and just hit the pavement. I always feel a block when I'm on a run, but if I push back that block and recognize that it's there and just get out of my comfort zone, then I get on the other side of that mental block or physical block, and it is just so pure and energizing, and I just listen to my breath, and the endorphins that are released just feel so good, and I feel amazing after a run. This is my new yoga mat that I have been loving. It is the Oak and Reed yoga mat in Mauve Medallion from CVS. I'll lay it out in the backyard and I'll do some high impact interval training or just some crunches and just some more toning exercises. I normally follow an app or I'll follow a YouTube video for instructions. There are so many different ways that you can be doing a workout class routine without having to actually go to a workout class. It's a really great way to save money and to make it super convenient in your own home. So you can search on YouTube for stuff like that, or you can look at different fitness apps to find something that you love. As important as it is to get our bodies moving, it's just as important to have rest and to tune back in to ourselves. So meditation is my favorite way to do this, whether it be before an exercise or after, or even if I'm not having a workout that day, I still enjoy a moment of meditation to reconnect with myself. And of course, when we are working out, we are burning calories, which means that we need to replenish ourselves. So I love having a bar with me for any moment that I'm feeling extra hungry, or if I need to go from a workout straight into work, I usually have a bar with me. This is the Pressed Kind bar from CVS. It's in mango apple chia, and it is so delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below what you guys do to stay motivated to work out, because I can always use the help. Thank you so much to CVS for partnering with me on this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for you guys to check out all of their self-care products. Again, they have over 300 products that they've recently introduced to their wellness and health category. They have more products than just for your physical health. They have mental health and emotional health products as well. CVS has taken creating a healthy lifestyle and self-care to a whole new level by making self-care products more convenient for us to get our hands on. So let's go challenge ourselves to get our bodies moving, because it feels so good and it is so good for us. Let's do this 2020. I love you guys to the moon and back again, and I will see you soon in a new video. Bye.